La 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 la. Everybody sit down, please. Everybody sit down, please. Everybody sit down, quiet, please. Everybody sit down, quiet, please. Everybody sit down, listen carefully. Everybody sit down, listen carefully. Everybody sit down, please. Everybody sit down, please. It's story time. It's story time. It's story time. Tell me the facts and I'll learn them. Tell me the truth and I will believe. But tell me a story and it will live in my heart forever. Stories. Stories are about so much more than just reading or writing. They are instrumental in cognitive, social, and emotional development. Literacy, math, and environment learning has a long lasting impact with story sessions. Stories are primary way our ancestors transmitted knowledge and values. Until today, stories play an important role. Let us enter कहानियों का जादुई पिटारा, the world of stories at GK Gurukul. India has 28 states. All states have unique characteristics. We are introducing different states to pre-primary students where culture, food habit, language and dress code of particular state is depicted in form of Indian Pitara. This month, Rajasthan state is introduced to the students of pre-primary. Good evening everyone on the virtual platform for today's mega event. मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. पंख होने से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है. With this inspiring note, the management, principal and staff of GK Gurukul and GK Kids welcome you all. GK Gurukul is a beautiful enriched garden of knowledge where each Gurukulite blooms gracefully with rich soil of excellent infrastructure, strong roots of well-trained teachers, and with moderate light and water of holistic development activities. We at GK Gurukul and GK Kids believe in sincere thought and feeling of a child, which says, if I can't learn the way you teach me the way I learn. I repeat, if I can't learn the way you teach me the way I learn. And thus, it is our prime aim to make learning experiential based and activity based. I am proud to announce that this academic year, we are introducing new innovative projects for enriching our children with holistic development from pre-primary to 10th standard. As the enrichment activity, the first project which we have started is of money management. Money management project is to provide children with thorough knowledge and understanding of financial literacy from early age, which is important to ensure proper money management skills later in life. Teachers are conducting innovative money management activities from preschool to 10th standard during maths classes, which will allow for a strong foundation of lasting financial competence. As a recapitulation, two major events are scheduled. Here we are with the first event where concept of spending, borrowing and investing money will be depicted through today's show. So dear audience, sit back and enjoy the fantastic puppet show which will be presented by the teachers of GK Gurukul and GK Kids. So let us welcome them with a big smile.
राजस्थान वो चुनिंदा राज्यों में से एक है जो लोगों को अपनी ओर आकर्षित करता है। डिफरेंट फोर्ट्स, बिरला मंदिर, folk music, delicious food stuff, versatile culture, famous personality from drama, politics and sports is the speciality of Rajasthan. विविध महान राजाओं का संपन्न राज्य राजस्थान। ऐसा ही राजस्थान का एक छोटा सा गांव जैसलमेर और इस गांव का एक घर। चलो बच्चों देखें इस घर में हो क्या रहा है।
ओ बिंदनी, ओ बिंदनी कठे गए दोनों। मारे बिंदनी कठे गए दोनों। अरे मारा राम जी, थाके भी तो यही हो। खम्मा गणी राम राम सा था के पूछू हूँ मारा बिंदनी कठे गयो। कोणी करे हो नो, कोणी करो कुछ मालूम नहीं पड़े है। था से पूछू हूँ, था ने खबर है। मारी पहचान अंग्रेजी माणे आवे कोणी, न हिंदी न घणो ज्ञान। राजस्थान री वासिंदा हूँ, राजस्थानी माड़ी पहचान। माड़े पे मत जाओ सा, माड़े बिंद और बिंदनी घणो विचार रखे हैं। मारे बिंद और बिंदनी घणो विचार रखे हैं। देखोगे तो आओ सा, पधारो सा।
आहो, तो ये बींद और बिंदनी पहुंचे हैं पूना। अरे भाई देखे तो ये यहां क्या करने चल पड़े हैं।
वाह, घणो चोखो लागे।
हाँ आनंदी, साची में घनो चोखो लागे।
लेकिन भैरव जी, ये कौन सी दुनिया है? हम कठे आ गए।
ये कोई जादू की दुनिया लागे है।
हाँ साची में ये जादू की ही दुनिया लागे है।
देख आनंदी, ये दुनिया हमारी दुनिया से कितनी अलग लागे।
अरे ये जादुई दुनिया में कितने अलग अलग लोग हैं।
यहाँ पर तो अलग अलग अजूबे भी दिख रहे हैं।
देखो देखो, यहाँ पर तो परियां भी है। सुनियो जी, क्या आप मुझे इस दुनिया की सैर कराओगे?
अरे रुक, मैं कहूँ हूँ।
आप तो हमेशा ऐसे ही करते हो।
अरे बाबा, पहले म्हारे को देखन तो दे कि पैसे है या नहीं म्हारे पास। देख, हमारे पास तो अभी इतने ही पैसे हैं। क्या इतने कम पैसों में हम घूम पाएंगे?
मने पहले से ही पता था तुम्हारे लिए आपके पास पैसे ही नहीं होते हैं।
ना रे बावरी, ऐसे नहीं है। मैं जो भी कमाता हूँ कोई खर्च तो नहीं करता। हमारे भविष्य के लिए अलग अलग योजनाओं में जमा करता हूँ।
सुनियो जी, एक बात कहूँ, मैंने ना कुछ पैसे बचाए थे और आज ना मैं वो साथ में लेके आई हूँ।
की बात है, ये बिन्नी तो कमाल करे है। सच्ची में रुपयों बचाना तो बहुत ही जरूरी है, वरना आज हमें कहीं से उधार लेने पड़ते।
नहीं नहीं, उधार क्यों लेंगे? हमारी ये बचत कब काम आएगी?
तो फिर चाल आनंदी, हम ये जादुई दुनिया की सैर करने चलते हैं।
तो चाल चाल। अरे कठे गई वो परिया।
चाल चाल।
ओ तेरी, तो ये बात है। पैसे बचाकर ये तो महाराष्ट्र राज्य की सैर करने पहुंचे हैं। देखते हैं ये परियां इन्हें कहां ले चलती हैं।
गुलाबी परी, गुलाबी परी, गुलाबी परी, अरे गुलाबी परी, आप कहाँ थी? आज आप लोगों को पृथ्वी लोक पर जाना है बच्चों को चॉकलेट देने के लिए। आपको पता है रानी परी ने मुझे 4 सिक्के दिए थे जिससे मैंने 4 चॉकलेट लिए हैं।
रानी परी ने मुझे भी तो 4 सिक्के ही दिए थे, पर मैंने तो 4 सिक्कों से 8 चॉकलेट खरीदी हैं।
4 सिक्कों से 8 चॉकलेट, 4 चॉकलेट और 8 चॉकलेट। मैंने तो 4 सिक्के से सिर्फ 4 चॉकलेट खरीदे और आपने 4 सिक्के से 8 चॉकलेट। कैसे?
क्या आप जानना चाहते हैं?
हाँ,
तो चलो फिर देखते हैं।
चलो फिर।
According to the financial experts, when it comes to teach children about money, the earlier the better. Children learn fast through stories and examples. This story will help the young children to understand simple money concepts like earning, spending, saving, and borrowing. It is important to teach children smart spending habits early on in their lives. The Hen Who Wanted to Be Pink is a story which will help them understand the value of wise spending. So, children, are you excited? Let's watch a story.
There was once a hen named Brownie. She had brown feathers. She wanted to be the prettiest chicken in town, but she had no money. Just 2 legs and a body that could lay some eggs.
One day, she met Rosie the hen, who had pink feathers. Brownie suddenly realized her brown feathers were faded and needed a change. She decided that she had to look like Rosie, whose pink feathers looked so new and shiny.
Oh wow, Rosie, you look amazing. Where did you get your feathers painted?
Oh, 3 boys who wait on the smart street will do the needful for you.
Thank you so much, Rosie. I will go and find the best for me. Hello, I want to paint my feathers pink. Will you do it for me?
Yes, I will do. Give me an egg and I will paint 1 feather pink.
Oh, it's so expensive. I can't afford it.
Brownie felt it is so expensive, so she went to the second boy.
Hello, I want to paint my feathers pink. Will you do it for me?
Yes, I will do. Give me an egg and I will tell you my plan. Brownie thought there is something fishy about him, so she moved ahead.
Hello, I want to paint my feathers pink. Will you do it for me?
Sure, why not? Give me an egg and I will paint 10 feathers for you.
Brownie the hen thought and thought. She had so much in her head. She thought the first one is so expensive. The second one is so cheap. The third one is best of the lot.
Oh boy, I want to be pink. Give me your paint.
You seem to have 1,000 feathers, so you need to pay 100 eggs for it and a service charge of 100 eggs.
But you never told about the service charge.
Ask all. They all will charge a service fee.
Let me think. Okay, fine then. But I don't have a 200x now. But I want to be pink. Tell me how.
You can get a credit line. Pay slowly over some time.
Brownie agreed and signed an agreement to get her feathers painted pink. After this, Brownie got her feathers painted pink. She was very happy in the beginning and started dancing. But after a few days, she got tired laying eggs every day for the boy.
Now, in debt, she had to lay eggs for the boy for 200 days. She was left with no joy. She got exhausted.
After a few days, she met Rosie again. This time, her feathers were yellow. Brownie got shocked.
Hey Rosie, what is this? You painted your feathers again? How do you afford so much to pay?
I waited for a nice offer. There was a sale. Why to spend so much on hair?
Oh, how unwise I am. I should have waited for a good offer like you.
Rosie made her understand our money should be spent wisely, not wasted unnecessarily. Brownie was sad and realized what mistake she had made.
So children, did you like the story? Did you enjoy listening and try to understand the concept of wise and safe spending? So would you behave like Rosie or Brownie? Brownie, who was always eager and quick in spending without thinking much, and unnecessarily she wasted her money, whereas Rosie waited for the right time and spend it when it was required. She spent it correctly and saved for the future.
देखा सुनहरी परी, हम परियां ही नहीं, पृथ्वी लोक पर जो इंसान रहते हैं वो भी अपने धन का बहुत बुद्धिमानी पूर्वक प्रयोग करते हैं।
हाँ, सच कहा आपने।
और आपको पता है, पृथ्वी लोक पर मेरे दो बड़े अच्छे दोस्त बन गए हैं।
दोस्त? कौन है वो दोस्त?
क्या आप जानना चाहती हैं?
हाँ,
वो है राजू और छुटकी।
राजू और छुटकी, मुझे भी मिलवाइए ना राजू और छुटकी से।
तो चलो फिर मिलते हैं हम छुटकी और राजू से।
चलो फिर।
अरे राजू, क्या बात है? तुम इतने परेशान क्यों हो?
चुटकी, तुम्हें वो मेरा दोस्त याद है सैमी? मैं बहुत परेशान हूँ उससे उधार लेने की बहुत बुरी आदत लग गई है।
उधार लेने की?
हाँ, तुम्हें पता है उसके पिताजी भी उससे बहुत परेशान है। कभी वो दोस्तों से उधार लेता है, कभी अपने पड़ोसियों से। क्या करूं मैं चुटकी, मैं बहुत परेशान हूँ।
राजू, ये तो सचमुच सोचने वाली बात है। उधार लेने की बुरी आदत, यानी सारी परेशानियां अपने सर पर मोल लेना। मैं काम करती हूँ, मैं और तुम चलते हैं। सैमी के पापा आज मुझे समझाने वाले हैं। देखे तो क्या समझाते हैं। चलो, तुम मेरे साथ चलो, उदास मत हो, तुम मेरे साथ चलो।
In a small coastal village in Sri Lanka, there was a boy named Sammy. Sammy's father is a fisherman. Sammy's father would go on his boat early morning for fishing. Sammy eagerly waits for his father by climbing on the coconut tree. One evening, he noticed the worried look on his father's face.
What's wrong, Papa?
Son, we only caught enough fish to feed ourselves, not enough to sell in a market.
By hearing this, Sammy was very worried and wondering what to do. And he thought of an idea.
Aha! I will go to each house in this village and ask them if I could borrow 1 cup of rice. It's not a lot to ask for.
Sammy went to every house with the sack.
Please, may I borrow 1 cup of rice? My father did not catch enough fish to sell at the market, so we could not buy any rice today.
I will lend you 1 cup of rice if you give me back 2 cups of rice in return.
Sammy felt that he had a good deal from everyone and went to another house and said,
I want 2 sweet potatoes.
I will give you the sweet potatoes, but I want 1 fish in return.
My father is a fisherman. I could do that.
Sammy spent his whole day borrowing, while his parents were worried and looking for him. That's when Sammy barged in.
Papa, Mama, I gathered all this food. We don't have to worry if Papa doesn't catch any fish tomorrow. This food will last us forever.
Immediately, the faces of his father and mother went dim.
Sammy, where did you get all this food from?
Papa, the neighbors, they all said that I could have this food as long as I gave them something in return.
Sammy, what did you promise our neighbors?
Mama, for 1 cup of rice, we just need to return 2 cups of rice when we have it. That's easy because we usually have a sack full.
Yes, Sammy, it is easy to return 2 cups of rice to one person. But when you have borrowed from so many people, it will add up to a mountain full.
And what about the sweet potatoes, Sammy?
No problem. I told everyone that I would give them 1 fish in return for 2 sweet potatoes.
Sammy, that's even worse. The value of 1 fish is so much more than 2 sweet potatoes. We could buy an entire sack of rice with 1 fish, but sweet potatoes are worthless.
Then we should sell all our fish and buy many sacks of rice.
Sammy's parents were puzzled and started explaining him.
Sammy, it's not good to borrow from so many people at one time, even though it may seem like a small amount that you take from one person. It adds up to become a huge amount before you even realize it.
They decided to return all to the neighbors. When they reached the last house, the neighbor said,
Sammy, you have already borrowed and agreed to give me 2 cups of rice in return. I will not accept this.
Sammy and his parents were worried. And as Sammy started explaining the neighbor,
I was just joking, Sammy. Why don't you come on in for some sweet potato curry?
Sammy looked at his parents for approval, who nodded at him. He hopped happily into the neighbor's house.
Okay, I promise to give many sweet potatoes in return.
So from this story, we learn that we should always think before we spend our money on anything.
सुनहरी परी, देखा हमने सैमी के पापा ने सैमी को कितने अच्छे तरीके से समझाया।
हाँ, बहुत अच्छे से समझाया। अरे डोरेमोन,
नोबिता शांत हो जाओ, क्या चाहिए तुम्हें?
डोरेमोन, मुझे भी एक साल में अपने पैसे डबल करने हैं। मुझे भी ऐसे कोई गैजेट दो ना डोरेमोन।
एक मिनट, पहले मुझे ये बताओ तुम्हें अपने पैसे डबल क्यों करने हैं?
डोरेमोन, वो सुजुका है ना, उसने अपने एक साल के अंदर पैसे डबल कर दिए। मुझे भी ऐसे कोई गैजेट दो ना डोरेमोन।
नोबिता, सुजुका तो समझदार है, हमेशा सोच समझ के काम करते। तुम तो मेरे गैजेट के पीछे पड़ देते हो, ये दे दो, ये दे दो, ये दे दो। अब वो बैठ के बोलो क्या करना है? समझदारी वाली काम करनी है। क्या करना है? गैजेट चाहिए या राजा अकबर के दरबार में चलना है, जहाँ पैसे डबल करने के लिए हमें पता चलेगा क्या काम करना चाहिए। क्या करना है तुम्हें?
चलो डोरेमोन।
चलो नोबिता।
Akbar is in the court and is thinking something. Birbal walks in and asks, Jahanpana, what's the matter?
Birbal, I wish all my people become rich and wealthy. Find out the best way.
Jahanpana, I have a way, but it is a long process and it would take many years. But people will create wealth.
No, Birbal, I want a quick solution. Give me the result.
A few days later, Birbal came to Akbar and said, Jahanpana, I found a quick way to create wealth.
Oh, very good. Tell me, what is it?
Birbal brought one small plant with him and gave it to Akbar and told him, Jahanpana, you have to water this plant every day until it grows into a tree and start giving fruits. That day, all will be wealthy. Akbar was joyous and followed what Birbal said and started watering the plant every day. After a year,
Birbal, what's wrong with the tree? Why is it not giving any fruit?
Jahanpana, everything is a process, and to grow a plant into a tree and get fruits, we have to pour water daily and be patient.
Okay, now I understood. Tell me, what is the best way to create wealth?
Jahanpana, SIP, Systematic Investment Plan. If we invest some money every day or every month, it will add up to a huge amount along with cash return. One can save more than lakhs and crore. So, Jahanpana, with SIP, all can become wealthy.
बच्चों, हम काम करते हैं, मेहनत करते हैं और पैसे कमाते हैं। जी हाँ, फिर खर्च भी करते हैं, कभी जरूरतों पर तो कभी अपनी चाहतों पर और कभी मौज मस्ती पर भी खर्च करते हैं। पर याद रखना बच्चों, हमें पैसे बचाने चाहिए अपने भविष्य के लिए। जैसे अभी आपने देखा, बीरबल ने अकबर को समझाया।
बूंद बूंद से घड़ों भरे है, बूंद बूंद से सागर। खा के देखा ना मारे बीन और बिंदनी, मारे आनंदी और भैरव, कितो घड़ो चोखो काम किए। आप था के लोगों ने भी अपने अपने जीवन में ऐसे ही घड़ो घड़ो काम करने हो। आपने पैसे, आपने धन अच्छी जगह पे धीरे धीरे सही तरीके से खर्च करना है। सही जगह बींदनी के जैसे चोखो काम करके सुरक्षित रखने। मारा बींद और बींदनी बड़े गुणवान सा। धन्यवाद सा।
Read stories, tell stories, show stories. Give your characters personalities. Live the story with them. Know and feel their emotions. Breathe the breath of life into them until they become so real to you that you feel like they are the people you know. If you are convinced, your listeners will be too.
A well begin is a half done. It was a fantastic start by the teachers of GK Gurukul and GK Kids. Dear students and parents, I'm sure you all have enjoyed today's show. Signing off for today, a big and sincere thank you to all dear students, parents, and guest audience to be a part of today's show. And stay tuned for the further activities. Thank you. Have a great evening ahead.